Right, so I've just switched my ignition on my bike, given it a couple of seconds, and I just want to try and show you how this Innovv app works. It's on my iPad, but it could just as well be on my, well, I've got it on my phone anyway. First thing you need to do is connect to the network. So if we go to settings and go to Wi-Fi, it loads up Innovv. There it is. If I select Innovv, right, now I can come out of that. Now I can go to the Innovv app, which is this one down here. Give it a couple of seconds to load up. And that's exactly what it looks like. I can go into settings on here. It loads it. I can change everything, miles an hour, how long I want the loop to last for, all sorts of gadgets on here. If I can go back, try that one. All right, and we're back there on the front page, if you like. This one here, document, this tells me what files are on the camera and what files I've downloaded or uploaded onto my phone. It is quite slow, so I would suggest you take off the memory card, take the memory card out the DVI unit and plug it into your computer. It's much quicker. The one we're interested in is this one with a camera. So I'll just click on that one, and that's exactly what you'll see when you load it up. The top little square there, this is my garage. That's the rear camera, and obviously the other one is me, and you can see my back where the camera on the front of my bike is looking at me. It's recording. It shows it's recording. You can change this to front and rear, rear and front, front only, rear only, whatever you want to do. And that's all there is to it. It's really simple. You can set your cameras up before you lock them all in place with the Torx bolts. Make sure they're pointing where you want them to point. I've done all mine. I've been out. I've given it a run. The quality is brilliant. I think it's a great bit of kit. Hope you enjoy it.